sector is in a position of creating employment opportunities for our teenage youth. And then considering their role in the society, so we have a digital divide, and then we have technological inadequacy in our society, which limits their operation to provide meaningful and sustainable outcomes. So, digital literacy for everyone is very, very essential. So, by providing enabling technology, enabling skills, and then artificial intelligence integration into our system. Off-take opportunities. Innovation from university, from other sectors need to be transformed to make meaningful outcomes. And then this is where the private sector comes in, because they are the engine